What is going on, guys? So we are actually back for yet another episode, and as you can tell behind me, the C5 is not under the canopy any longer. We have actually made progress. We finally got her done, and I've actually been driving the Beetle. I'm not gonna lie, I took it to Taco Bell, as you can see in a clip that I'll post up later. The kids and I went to Taco Bell and ran into a subscriber that works there. We still have the Alero here, the kids 90. They were out riding that today, parked it there for whatever reason. I have no idea, but we also got the grass cut and things like that. But we are not here to talk about that kind of stuff. Two things I actually wanted to talk about in this episode, and well, let me get my tripod out here and we'll get it set up, and then we'll get into the conversation. So one of the big things that I want to answer, and I have received an abundance of messaging asking me if it is true and why do I think it happened, you know, everything like that, is I've been hit with a bunch of questions saying, did Mike STREETSPEED717 really sell the ZR1? And guys, it is true. He has that car listed for sale. He does have a buyer for it, and there's a couple different reasons why he is actually going to sell that vehicle. And you guys have to look at the brighter picture. Number one, he already made a bunch of content being the first out there, you know, as he has said, and as you know, he did the first one on the dyno, first one at the track, first manual 10-second pass, things like that. So I get it why he's at a stalemate right now. They didn't unlock the ECU yet, so he can't get it tuned. He can't really open up its potential or anything like that. And also, probably one of the bigger things in the picture is it's a financial thing. If you think about it, as of right now, and this is my guess or my theory, this is not, you know, something that Mike and I have talked to or anything like that. This is just how I feel and, you know, my thoughts. But from a financial perspective, that if this new body style were to release as of, you know, next year or the year, you know, coming up, or if they release a date that you will be able to purchase this car, the ZR1 price tag will come down just a tad. I'm not saying it's going to be a, you know, drastic drop or anything like that, but the value in that car is going to drop with the new body style announcement and release date. So that is probably number one of the biggest reasons why I personally think Mike is going to get rid of that car, just because, you know, now is the perfect time. It's still a hot car. You know, he's already made, you know, his videos and things like that. And I know he's anticipating to purchase a C8 and the new body style mid-engine Corvette. So that's one of the main things I think he's selling it. Also, number two is, you know, he didn't really drive the car that much. I know he says he enjoyed it and everything like that, but deep down inside, I believe, Mike, you're a McLaren guy for sure. You definitely want that new McLaren, the 600 LT, and you know, I'm excited to see it. I'm excited to you know, for you to have that car too. I know it's something you want, and I can't wait to see it. But those are some of the things coming on. You know, it's easier for him to get rid of that now while it's still worth something, and move forward, you know, on to bigger and better things. Also, as you do know, we are building Project Grandpa. Project Grandpa is, you know, it's hit the ground, and it's hit the ground running. You know, we're less than a week away before we have the new motor coming in, and we don't even have the nitrous completely ready to go. It's not tuned yet or anything like that. I am going to apologize for the locust that you hear here. Of course, the sun's starting to go down a little bit, and I wanted to produce this because I've gotten hammered with a bunch of questions and things like that. So I'm sorry that you guys hear that. There's nothing I can do about it. I know you guys are going to say, you know, get a mic, get this, get that, you know. And guys, I am working on it. I just started getting monetized. You know, this is my second month getting a paycheck with YouTube, and I couldn't be any more happy. You know, things are definitely, the ball's rolling and everything's rolling in the right direction. Now, personally, I'm excited for Project Grandpa to get back into that topic, because it's something that I was able to do, something I was able to, you know, project to you guys. You got to think, Mike, I literally put the cam in that car. Mike drove it an hour the next day without me even looking at it to the dyno. Didn't have any issues on the dyno. Drove it home, didn't have any issues. Mike took it to a track day, didn't have any issues. So that goes to show there, guys, you know, the type of things that I enjoy doing. I personally love when I can put something together and I don't have any issues. it does happen, you know, that you do have issues. As of right now, you know, as you see, I had the C5 put back together with the twin turbo kit, and well, we had issue after issue after issue, and you know, it was partly my fault because I kind of went into that kit blind. I'm not a directions type of person, so I completely went into it with no direction other than, you know, I think this piece goes here, this piece goes there, this piece goes here, there. So I did have an issue with the oil return line, but that got resolved and everything like that. That was also, again, my fault 110%. I don't know what I was thinking. I guess I thought I would do it my way, and if my way didn't work, it would be on me. And well, it fell back on me pretty tough. I actually had the turbos in and out of that car about 4 different times now. And there's also an ear on both sides of the block. On the driver's side, I didn't shave down enough. So I actually did have to pull that side turbo and everything back out and grind more of it out. So with that being said, guys, we do have the turbo kit on the car. So I will give you guys some sound clips and things like that. I do plan on going to the dyno Monday morning at Complete Street Performance. So Andrew, I hope you're ready for me, buddy. We're ready to make some power. I hope I got everything, you know, where you said to put everything and things like that, you know, as far as vacuum lines and things like that. But the kit is looking amazing, guys. It sounds freaking killer, and you guys are about to hear it. So before I get into that, guys, I just want to say huge thank you for the support. We hit 20,000, which is huge. Again, they're getting loud, I'm sorry. But that is huge, guys. From me starting this, not really thinking anybody was going to follow the channel, and I was just kind of doing it for fun, to now it's, you know, pretty much a lifestyle, which is great. You know, I appreciate it like no other, guys. So with that being said, if you like the content, you know, it's kind of like a boring video. It's not action-packed or anything like that. But we do have the turbo kit done, and I'm going to show you that now. So smash that like button. Please subscribe, guys, because we are hitting the dyno, and it will be this week. Not sure if the video will drop Monday night or Tuesday. As long as everything goes great on the dyno, we'll get a video out to you early this week, guys. So again, I love you guys, and we will see you in the next upload. What's up, buddy? What's up, buddy?
Should we put it in the seat over here or in the back?
And we're not talking about the dog.
Yeah, not the dog. I'm talking about the nitrous.
Yes. I like it there. I think it's just cool
Let's put it in the back.
to be there.
Let's put it in the back in case I ever want to put the seat in for whatever reason, if I need it.
Yeah, but you can move like all the wiring will still be right here.
Yeah, yeah.
I like it there.
It is neat. It's different.
It's different, and I dare to be different.
It's different.
So,
What does he think?
what do you think, bud?
I don't know. I think he likes the passenger seat. He's like, I can ride in this car easily. There's a whole floor here for me. Put a little bed in there.
I think you should. So we got Mike in here on all fours.
This is what we resorted to now. I have to literally push down on these bolts with the entirety of my weight so that they actually stick through the fucking carpet.
All right, guys, and just like that, we are wrapping up what is another episode of SendIt Steve and Grandpa Build. There's a lot more entertainment to come, guys. If you like the content, smash that like button. Please subscribe, and we will see you guys in the next upload.
That one felt kind of violent.
Definitely.